My lovely Leos, welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Leos, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of September 2024. Please note it's a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So, just take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? You would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. Also, guys, if any of this is your story, if any of this resonates with you, do give the video a thumbs up, drop comments, share your experiences, and last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So guys, while pre-shuffling, there were a couple of messages that I was getting. First pair of card that came out was Nine of Wands and Queen of Wands. Okay, fire energy. By the way, there was a lot of fire energy overall in your pre-shuffling. Maybe you have fire in your birth chart elsewhere, or like your double fire, or you're dealing with a fellow fire sign. Need not be, but the chances are very high, in which case you can check other fire sign readings as well. Okay, like Aries and Sagittarius. Okay, so anyway, so Nine of Wands and Queen of Wands was telling me, Queen of Wands was in the reverse, by the way. It told me that someone out there is in an energy of utter exhaustion and tired, and mentally and physically exhausted, and more than physically, mentally exhausted, and you're like, okay, I am really tired of maybe trying, tired of maybe being strong, being brave, and being there for everybody. And no, like, for once I want to be myself, and I am just surely exhausted. I can actually hear someone say that, and I so feel you, Leos, because there are moments where we go through, or we really feel like, just giving up, and we feel that even we need help, and we just feel very very tired of dealing with all the challenges alone. Okay, and being there for others too. So that's what I was getting very very strongly, in which case a big warm bear hug to you guys, and I all I can say is I feel you. Okay, moving on, I felt another energy that I saw was someone is going to have a new job opportunity, new job offer. The another pair that fell was, actually today the cards were coming in pairs mostly. So another pair was Queen of Swords and what was it? Ace of Pentacles. So Ace of Pentacles is very very like clear sign that you are getting a new job. Okay, it's not about new promotion or new project or new assignments. It's an indicator of a new job. And the Queen told me that you probably would be working with a female manager, boss, leader. Could be a Gemini, need not be, but could be a Gemini. And what was it about? What was I about to tell you? Or you could be joining as a leader or manager over there yourself. Okay, another thing is that you are guarded. Okay, you're very much guarded and apprehensive about this new job probably. Okay, you're like, your all your antennas are out, and which is quite natural. When we are joining a new job, we or new organization, we have to get used to or accustomed to new environment, and we have to prove our mettle. So that jitteriness, or that nervousness, or that anxiety, it's very natural, and that's what someone out there is going through, is what I was getting. Another pair that fell was Nine of Swords and King of Wands. Now that I'm thinking of it, exactly different energies of I mean, the complementary energies are have had come out. One was Nine of Wands and Queen of Wands. One is Nine of Swords and King of Wands. Now both are talking about tiredness, overthinking, exertion. Okay, this pair is also giving the same picture. Someone is really really sleepless and in overthinking mode, and super super jittery, and just someone's mind is racing round the clock, and someone is absolutely sleepless, is what I was getting. King of Wands, I somehow did not decipher that energy, like what are you overthinking about? Are you overthinking about some person? Okay, that was the closest that I could come to, you know. Probably you are thinking and worried and concerned about some person, more probably. Could be your manager, or could be someone elderly. I don't know what it was, but someone definitely was overthinking about or related to someone, like some person was, I was getting very very strongly. So you guys are going to meet your soulmate, divine counterparts, and it could be an air sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, because king and queen of wands was the soulmate energy that I saw. One very interesting triplets of card that fell was nine of cups. Then there was nine of, no, I think it was pair only, nine of cups and two of wands. Yeah, nine of cups and two of wands. And I was just thinking what it was like. Are you kind of dreaming about uh, I think there was two of cups also accompanied over here. Are you dreaming about a partner, or manifesting a partner or relationship? This person could be away from you, like at a different location probably. And I was just wondering, if 10 of cups comes out, you know, this will be confirmed. And there came 10 of cups. 10 of cups is a card of perfect family picture, a perfect life in terms of relationship, and overall a very healthy energy that is. So probably some of you guys might end up meeting his or her soulmate. It could be a dream come true kind of a relationship, full of love. Okay, full of love, and that will be a like a perfect family kind of a relationship, you know. Both very very emotional, and very very family kind of people coming together. Okay, and maybe this person could be at a distance from you as of now. But yeah, that's all. That's about it. That's all I got over here. And I saw lovers card as well, which is a Gemini energy. So the chances are very high that you could manifest a relationship. Okay, yeah. So those were a lot of messages, isn't it? Let me quickly get started. The reading already is, I think it's more than 5 minutes that I'm speaking, right? Three of cups. Okay. Ouch. Really, I was not expecting that. I really did not expect that. Oh yeah, I forgot to talk about this. This was there in your pre-shuffling as well. Actually, I cannot render all the messages, right? The reading gets really long, but I just tell the ones that are very strong. So yeah, this card was also there while pre-shuffling. Okay. Two of Wands has been haunting your energy. I don't know. You guys are probably at crossroads about something. The Fool card, Hermit card, the Fool card. Okay, Justice, Libra energy. That was also there. I'll take it. Lot of major arcanas, by the way. And I had seen Princess of Pentacles, this Page of Pentacles, which is significant of, or which tells about a new job. Okay, a new job for sure. Job offer rather. Are we good with the camera? Yeah, I think we are good, right? Let's get started, guys. The health card is showing up, three of cups. You guys, probably someone out there is actually, you have been socializing a lot of late. You know, you have been probably partying a lot, boozing. Okay, I don't know smoking or not, but definitely boozing, or you know, cocktails, mocktails, drinking, hanging out with friends. Okay, well, it's showing up in your health card. So probably it's now time to cut down on this, and you know, start focusing on your health once again. Okay, maybe you could be on a vacation, or maybe, you know, there could be reasons to celebrate. Like I said, there is a new job for sure, for someone out there. So maybe you're celebrating that with different groups of people, different groups of friends, or with family. Okay, that could also be the reason. But either ways, the point being, you out to start focusing on your health now. Okay, yes, partying is done now, and maybe now a time for a reality check, and get back to, or slip back into your fitness regime, working out, having a good diet plan, eating nutritious food, sleeping well. You have not been sleeping well. I'm very very sure about that. Like at least someone out there, it's a collective reading and it is not going to match with all, but someone out there definitely is not sleeping well. Okay, so that is about your health card, guys. Very simple and straightforward message that it's time to focus on your health now. Okay, maybe start going for those walks or start monitoring your diet. Okay, that kind of an energy. Nothing alarming, nothing glaring, but just a kind of a reminder that, yeah, I mean, you have partied a lot, now let's get back to work. Okay, very very clear cut message over there. And this is what actually surprised me, your current energy. You are absolutely and absolutely hurt over something. Okay, something, or you're hurt by someone has really hurt you, or you have hurt someone. I don't know what it is, but a three of swords is the most painful energy in the tarot deck. The 3 and 10 of swords, though I did not see 10 of swords, which means that this is not something that is ending anything. Though I had seen death card, I don't remember seeing 10 of swords at all, so maybe it's not ending yet. Okay, but 9 of swords was there. 9 of swords is followed by 10 of swords, right? But maybe you're close to some endings. Okay, some things coming to an end. And currently, talking about your current present state, you are really badly hurt and your heart is actually bleeding. Okay, and I am sorry, Leos, if you have to go through any such situation. No wonder you are sleepless and you are in overthinking mode. I feel that, and like I said, I had seen 9 of swords followed by, it was clubbed with King of Wands. So probably someone has hurt you real bad, and you just can't stop thinking about it. There was devil energy also in your pre-shuffling, Capricorn energy. You're obsessively thinking about this topic, or whoever is involved in this case, and that's quite natural. Maybe, I mean, I don't know what to say. Give yourself healthy time to get over whatever it is, and be good and kind to yourself. Okay, be gentle to yourself. Things happen because we need to learn a lesson or two from those things, and just focus on those. Okay, that's how I see all the unfortunate incidents in my life, and I just try to learn my lessons. I am not saying that I learn every time, because there are times that I keep on repeating the mistakes, and that's how it is. That's how universe works. The lessons are repeated till you learn it. Okay, and so the sooner you learn your lessons, the better. Okay, that's all I can tell about this card. But yeah, I'm not at all happy to see this. It really makes me sad when I pull this card for any of my readings. Okay, your current blocker is 4 of pentacles. Maybe you are trying to save money. Okay, you're like someone, probably because 4 of pentacles is followed by 5 of pentacles, which again is an energy of scarcity. Okay, like or lack, like tight financial situation. So probably you guys are someone out there is going through it, and you are actually trying to save every penny that is left with you, and you're very cautious and calculative about your expenditure. You're watching your expenses. Probably you're trying to manage your finances some very very carefully. Look at how how this person is kind of locking what do I call this chest? I don't remember. Locker, we can say this is a locker, and this person is actually locking it. Okay, and very carefully, that too. So yeah, you guys definitely are, money is some challenge for someone. You definitely, or you might be going through some money challenges, and but the good thing is that you are going to get abundance very very soon. The job opportunity that you're going to get, okay, or that's showing up in your energy, is the one which is going to bring in a lot of abundance and prosperity. Ace of Pentacles is a very abundant energy. It's a very it's a card, or it's an energy that indicates a lot of prosperity. Okay, so please don't worry, the situation is going to change very very soon. So if you are sleepless about this, or stressed about it, please don't be. Okay, there is a new job offer very very soon, and I can assure you it's there in your energy. Okay, your advice is princess of wands, that is page of wands. Page of Wands actually sends a couple of messages. One is, it could be a case wherein you need to communicate something to someone, but you're not doing that. Maybe you're holding off. Okay, maybe you need to say something, or you need to message something to someone, or maybe you need to call someone and you're not doing that. Okay, that could be one thing, and the angels are urging you to do. And second thing is curiosity. Where has your curiosity gone, Leos? Okay, it's your own energy. It is Leo Sagittarius, and why have you lost your curiosity bit? Okay, you should be out there curious to learn. Okay, learn new things and be excited about this, about new things. And especially if you are going to have a new job in your energy, you should be really excited about it. I mean, that's not happening probably, and that's what this page is reminding you. Okay, let's just quickly clarify in terms of your advice. Please tell me more about the advice for my beautiful Leos. 9, the Hermit, Virgo energy. Okay, 7 of Pentacles. Yes, this was there in your pre-shuffling. You guys are definitely waiting for your financial situation to improve. This is confirmed. The 4 of Pentacles, your blocker, is confirmed by the 7 of Pentacles. You are actually waiting for the money part to improvise or to show up in your energies. Okay, and that is going to happen. The Hermit mode, someone out there probably, now this energy and this energy seems different to me, but someone out there is probably, isolating, or not wanting to talk to anybody, and wanting to be by himself or herself. Okay, and Hermit energy. Okay, Virgo energy is showing up over here, and probably you are like very closed right now. Even 4 of Pentacles bring in that energy of someone who is not kind of opening up, and is just wanting to shut off. Okay, and wanting to retreat. Okay, so see, at the bottom of the deck again there is Page of Swords, which talks about curiosity. Okay, Page of Swords and Page of Wands both are telling the same thing, like, yeah, just go out and be curious, learn new things. Maybe if you need to take certain certifications, trainings, undergo that, study, level up. Okay, instead of kind of retreating and going into a shell, maybe it's time to open up and explore the opportunities that are coming your way. Okay, some of you guys might also be in a need of a break. Okay, that's what I'm getting. Dire need of a break, a vacation, wherein you can, now this is another group of people that I'm getting. Okay, don't mix the things, but someone out there definitely could be needing that me time. Okay, someone is not getting the me time, just opposite of what I say, spoke about, or spoke about in terms of energies. Like, there are different groups that I can see over here. So someone actually needs that me time, and to be with oneself. Okay, to have that self dialogue, self conversation, introspect. Okay, and just that solitude. Someone is missing that. Okay, and maybe you can get into this Page of Wands energy and plan something for yourself. Maybe you can ask a friend or so whether he or she would join you for a vacation, a small vacation if for that matter. Go out in nature, sit in silence, maybe mountains, or maybe in a park. Okay, and just be with yourself, and just enjoy your own company. That is what is needed for someone out there, is what I'm getting. This energy is taking me to the pre-shuffling energy, who is very very stressed out. Okay, like absolutely stressed out, or who is very badly hurt. Okay, you guys are probably seeking some answers. Okay, and there's a lot of chaos in your mind, so maybe spending time with your own self, your own energy will give you those answers. Okay, that's what I'm getting over here. Page of Swords here is telling me that, yeah, be curious. Okay, you should always be a learner. The child in you the childlike curiosity in you should never die. Okay, I actually feel, even at this, in fact, more older I get, I am realizing that, had that curiosity bit, or that urge to, keep on doing something or learning something new, not been there in me, I would have been dead probably by now. Okay, and I'm not saying learning in, like, in terms of competition, like, skills or anything like that. No, I'm not talking, like, not technical learning per se. Maybe need not be related to your job or work, but something new, like for example, this tarot. Okay, I learn so much every time, in tarot, or through other people's readings, or through some posts that I come across, or be it any art form. Okay, and just keeping on doing something and trying out new things is what keeps me alive. Okay, and maybe it's a reminder to you as well, Leos. Maybe you would want to try that, and it kind of also diverts our mind from whatever is bothering us. At least that's my experience, and that's my way to go on. And if you would want to give it a try, you should. Okay, anyway, moving on. Your output is 8 of cups. Some of you guys could be walking away from situation, or you out to walk away from situation, something which was very very emotionally taxing. Maybe the 3 of swords energy, whatever has hurt you, whatever has happened, whoever has betrayed you, let you down, or whatever was not working for you, you will be walking away from that situation, because too much water has flown by the bridge, or under the bridge, and you really, there's no point, beating around, like beating, or rather knocking the door that's not going to open. So you have to walk away, you have to move on in life. Okay, it could be an emotional decision. 8 of cups, it's a water energy, emotional energy. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. See, there is a lot of water body in this, and you have to come out of this water and step on ground and be rational and be practical, and just walk away from your own emotions as well. Emotional attachment is what is kind of, I really feel that it's the source of lot of miseries. Okay, or major source of misery in human beings. And sometimes we really have to take those hard decisions and walk away from it, and detach from people and situations. Okay, that's the only way out, that at times, and probably that is what is needed, and that's what you're going to end up doing very very soon. Okay, very wise decision, guys. I applaud your decision. Okay, and I am with you in this. 4 of swords is telling me that someone really needs to rest. You are not sleeping. Maybe if you get to nap even in the afternoons, or whenever you can, you should catch up on sleep, and you should rest your body. And for others, there is someone who has, stopped talking to you, or you have stopped talking to someone, blocked someone. Maybe you have cut cords with someone, quite possible, because 3 of swords is there, which is followed by 4 of swords, which means that you have stopped talking to this person, maybe, or you have blocked this person, or that person has blocked you, and there could be stalking going on because of this. Okay, either you or that person is stalking each other. You are trying to find out about each other through, other sources of social media, through common friends, maybe through their posts or whatever. Okay, but that's also what I am getting very very strongly. 3 of pentacles, you could be working in a team of 3 people. Excuse me, give me a minute, guys. Okay, I was about to sneeze, which could have confirmed my reading. Anyway, sorry about that. You could be working, about with a team of 3 people. Need not be, but the chances are very very high. Maybe you could get an opportunity to work on something new, to solve a new problem, wherein there is a lot of brainstorming involved, a lot of discussions involved. Okay, and also, guys, the universe is saying that they have your back. So just don't be fearful, don't be worried. Whatever you are deciding on to is going to be good for you. The universe is confirming that through this card. Okay, 2 of wands. Yeah, I mean, this energy has been kind of luring, or rather, it's actually haunting or dominating your energy. It was there so much in your pre-shuffling also. Some of you guys could be at crossroads, not able to decide anything, okay, not able to arrive at a decision. Also there's one thing that someone out there might be researching something or finding out more information about something. Maybe you are enrolling for some training, certifications, learning something, okay. Learning is what I'm getting very very strongly, okay. Some of you guys might also want to travel overseas, and you are trying to find out more information about that, researching about uh, 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 that particular thing, like the destination or where's and hows and logistics, okay. That could also be the case for someone out there. Justice card, Libra energy. So you guys are, if at all your paperwork was stuck for some reasons, you're going to get that very very soon. People, any legal work, property work, loan work, job offer, like there is a job offer, like in your energy, so that offer letter, anything guys, anything that has paper, divorce papers for that matter, any legal documentation that was stuck up until now is going to get through very very soon. You're going to get that. And for people who felt that things have been unfair with you, like Three of Swords energy that was showing up, you will get your justice very very soon, okay. If at all you are into any legal battle, divorce battle, it will come in your favor, whoever is to whoever this is applicable. Full card, you're getting a fresh start, a clean slate. Make sure you're making the most out of it. Make sure that you're using the experiences that you have got up until now very very smartly, okay. And break free, just take that leap, okay. And aim for the stars, okay. Just look at this fool's uh, picture. I mean, this person is at the edge of the cliff and about to jump, okay, but he has this experience kitty very much strongly on his shoulders. So take calculated risks, have fun, and make the most out of this clean slate that you have got, okay. You have got another opportunity. Zero is starting from ground zero, okay. It's like a second chance. It's like starting from zero and starting afresh, okay. So I wish you very good luck guys, and make the most out of it, okay. Just have fun is all I'll tell you. Princess of Pentacles is the Page of Pentacles, which again is a confirmation that you're going to get a new job offer, job opportunity very very soon. If you haven't received already, even if you're not looking for it, you're going to get it. And hands down, a new job is written for you guys, okay. And there is the Hermit energy, the Virgo energy, which talks about seeking some answers, okay. Going into isolation. Some of you guys might have there could be someone who might have cut down from social media as well, okay, gone into isolation, withdrawn, okay, want to be with himself or herself, or seeking solitude. And there's nothing wrong in that, okay. At least to me it works wonders. If at all I'm feeling very very stressed, I just cut off, like I just uninstall my WhatsApp and I just disappear, and it really really helps. It helps decluttering our mind. You can try it out, okay. But yeah, that's what I'm getting. And someone is in dire need of break or a vacation is also what I'm getting very strongly. It's again repeated, okay. Some messages are definitely repeated, which means they need to be heard by someone, okay. Virgo energy over there. Yeah, quite an interesting reading, huh? Let's move on and pull one card from this beautiful deck. Okay. The energy is gaining momentum. Good to know this, right? The energy is gaining momentum and you are good enough. That's the reminder. Beautiful reminder. Again, a Virgo energy. And things that were stuck for you, they're going to progress now. You'll see a lot of motion, momentum, and progress in your energies. A lot of energy churn in your energies. Good to know, actually. Very good to know. Stagnancy is like little worrisome sometimes, yeah. So with that, let's pull some charms guys and conclude the reading. I love this part a lot and I hope you enjoyed it as well. Okay, let's see. Oh, death card, Scorpion energy. Some things are ending for some of you guys. Death and Fool card are indicative or symbolic of things ending and new things, fresh things starting. So some of you guys are closing some chapters and opening a new chapter. Okay, that's how life is all about. That's all life is all about. Okay, and it comes with its lessons. Both these are major arcanas, Scorpio and Scorpio and Aries energy, and make sure you're learning your lessons. Okay, that is what I'll tell you. Okay, and for someone specific, there could be death of someone you know. Okay, very very, I don't know. I up until now I was not getting it, but now I'm getting that energy. So don't be alarmed. It's not applicable to everyone. If it's not to you, just ignore it. Okay. And what is this? Life is a gift. Yeah, you need to enjoy this. You need to cherish this gift. Okay. Life is a gift that needs to be cherished. Anyhow, a sister is someone to dream, cry, sing, laugh with. Wow, such a lovely charm. This could be a message for someone, or you could be wanting to give this message for your sister, or to your sister, or your sister is telling this to you. Okay, such a beautiful message, isn't it? I really like this charm. And initial P, person, place, thing, anything, pet. Okay, whatever this initial kind of reminds you of. Okay, and yeah, very interesting. Anyway, Leos, that was one interesting reading. I really enjoyed doing it, and I hope you liked it as well. In which case, do let me know through comments, and do hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Okay, so I'll see you next month directly, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.